Welcome to the Big Gill Show. Welcome to Big Gill Show. This is Michael Gilchrist Show. Oh, I see the children now. Always wondered about that. I mean, I guess they gotta come out and play. And I guess it's the best time because it's not as hot as it's gonna get. But I always like, I think, now it's just me. When I was a kid, I'd be like, man, you crazy. I ain't going out that much. I'm staying right in here where the air conditioning is. The hell? Y'all can have them swings. Back when I was younger, the merry-go-round. I don't even think they have merry-go-rounds no more. They were dangerous though. Them doggone merry-go-rounds. Cause you get them jokers like me, old strong mud hunching. I'm spinning it so fast that people couldn't hold on, lose their grips. Boy, that used to be fun. But yeah, I'll be that brother. That's all right, teacher, counselor. Leave me in the classroom. Give me a crayon or a magic marker. I'm good. I'm going out here. What? How does it is? Not I. Lord. Oh, man. All right. Do I want to? Nah. I was thinking about doing something different. Because, you know, it's exercise, but even I get tired of walking in circles. But as long as this weight come off, I'm gonna keep walking in circles. Ovals, rhombuses, triangles, octagons, hexagons, sexagons. And man, do you got a 10thagons? Whatever. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Stand accused of loving you too much. And I hope it's not a crime. 'Cause if it is, I'm guilty of loving you. Guilty? I'm guilty. I'm guilty too. Oh, girl, I'm guilty. Loud. Y'all know nothing about that one right there. I had to go back on y'all. That's right. Isaac Hayes. Don't you even think about leaving, 'cause I'm guilty of loving a sweet thing like you. Guilty? It's not a crime. 'Cause if it is, I'm guilty of loving you. Whew, this was a rough one, y'all. And I came out early today. It's good when it's rough, though. Hey, you burn more calories in less time. And if you do the same amount of time, you just burn more calories. So I don't mind the tough ones. I don't mind. Hey, that just means I work harder, which is what I want. But amen. Got the kids out here with the birds chirping. That's my cue. It's time to go. Hey man, look, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, post, do all that. I love you. Peace. I'm going to get in some air conditioning. After that cold shower, yeah, still air conditioning. Later. Welcome to the Big Gill Show. Welcome to Big Gill Show. This is Michael Gilchrist Show. Holla back at the Big Gill Show.